Feeling overwhelmed by back-to-school shopping? What if you could make choices that are kind to the planet and still get top-notch supplies? Well, check these out. Start your day with recycled binders. They're sturdy, stylish, and give waste a second life. Plantable pencils? Yes. You heard that right. Use and then plant, and watch them grow into herbs or flowers. Opt for plastic-free tape dispensers. Durable, useful, and completely biodegradable. How about notebooks made from recycled paper? They're perfect for jotting down all those A-plus ideas. And don't forget reusable lunch bags. Keep your snacks fresh and reduce plastic waste. Honest reviews say these products aren't just eco-friendly, they're high quality and super functional. Teach your kids the importance of sustainability. Every little choice adds up for a greener future. For more awesome tips and products, check out drgreengeek.com. Because saving the world starts with your school supplies.